Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to change font size in Vivo phone. Guys, you want to change this font size in Vivo phone, so you can change. In this video I will show you how to change font size in Vivo phone. And guys, now let's see how to change it. So first of all open your phone setting to change font size. Then guys click on display and brightness. Guys click on font size. So as you can change from here guys, like large, extra large and guys largest. So you can change from here guys extra large and largest, extra large. Guys come back. So as you can see guys, font size has changed in our Vivo phone. So I think friends, you have understood how to change font size in Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet our next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye.